You're not going to believe this. During the middle of the trial, the judge stops the witness, tells him he's wrong, and now begins to tell the jury exactly what the judge knows about this particular intersection. You want to learn about this crazy situation? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. Today I'm coming to you from beautiful Las Vegas at the Wynn Hotel. I was speaking to some really smart attorneys yesterday, and I wanted to share some great information before I head back home. Now, this was a case I tried many years ago involving a gentleman who was involved in an intersection collision. Now, I have my client up on the witness stand. I am questioning my client about describing the scene, describing the intersection in Brooklyn. And now my client is explaining to the jury exactly what the intersection looks like. In the middle of my client testifying, the judge stops the witness, turns to him and says, "That's not true. The intersection looks like this. That's not true, Mr. Witness. The store that you're describing is not there. It's over there." And now the judge turns to the jury and says, "Ladies and gentlemen, that's not the location of where this incident happened." And now what do? I am shocked that the judge is now trying to interject himself into the testimony and now explaining to the jury what he believes the testimony really should be. This was absolutely astounding. And now what do? I jump up and I start objecting. Over and over I keep objecting, and the judge turns to me and says, "Counselor, sit down. Your objection is overruled." And now he goes ahead and tells the jury exactly what he believes the intersection showed. Now, I have to tell you, a judge is supposed to be impartial. They are not supposed to interject themselves into certainly the testimony, even if the witness's testimony is factually incorrect. The judge is supposed to be impartial and give the jury the law as it applies in this particular case. If he does not believe the witness is accurate, he has no business whatsoever telling the jury that this witness is inaccurate. That is improper. So what do you do in a situation like that? Well, the only thing you can do, since the judge controls the whole process of how the trial proceeds, is to make a record so that now, if for some reason we wind up losing the case, I have grounds to appeal. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding to one particular case that I handled a number of years ago involving a judge who decided to testify when the witness should have been the one testifying. Yet I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.